Today, we are starting out 9.8 kilometers or approximately 13 minutes by car from the construction site. Hello, this is Ayivi from Ayivi TV. Thanks for watching the video. If you have not already subscribed, please do so by clicking the subscribe button. If you do like the video, do not forget to click the like button. Share the video with family and friends. Yes, beautiful tropical climate where the year-round temperature is approximately 27 degrees Celsius, 80.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Folks, it gets hot, very hot. Let's call it toasty. So the beach comes in very handy, beautiful beaches, as a way to stay cool. In this video, we will discuss air conditioning reservations. We will walk through the process that has been followed on our site to ensure that wall-mounted air conditioning units, once installed, will function efficiently to keep the house cool throughout the year. Let's go ahead and transition to the site. There you go. Welcome to the site. I had an air conditioning contractor come by to take a look at the whole house and make recommendations on placement of indoor air conditioning units. There you see written on the walls his recommendations, the word clim, which stands for climatiseur in French, and it means air conditioner. Overall, his recommendations were pretty good. I had a number of changes, a few tweaks here or there, but all in all, we are in a good place, I must say. In the guest room, you can see the unit will be placed above the window. Placement of air conditioning unit in the kitchen will be above the door leading outside. Let's take a quick look at the maids and drivers' quarters. In these parts of the world, it is not customary for these quarters to have air conditioning units. However, this property may be repurposed as an Airbnb or simply rented out to a large organization that provides housing for its employees, typically expats. So we will outfit them with air conditioning units. In the backyard, after the walls have been fixed up nicely, there is ample room to place an in-ground swimming pool, yet another means of staying cool. Now, what we see are two PVC pipes, the contents of which form the essence of air conditioning reservations. Some call it duct work. Later in this video, we will spend more time talking about their contents. let me draw your attention to the planned placement of 3 air conditioning condensers on the ledge that you can see in the videos. The air conditioning condensers are also known as the outdoor units of the air conditioning system. The black PVC pipe of 25 millimeters in diameter will be used to carry water from the air conditioning unit, in this case, into the drainage pipe in the bathroom. Now you see Justin, the air conditioning contractor. An awesome guy all around. It's been a pleasure working with him so far. Some patchwork going on over here. It looks like we're just about done. Moments ago, we talked about the black PVC pipe, 25 millimeters in diameter, that is used to carry water away from the indoor air conditioning unit. What about the gray 50 millimeters in diameter PVC pipe? It contains a small copper pipe, a larger copper pipe, an electrical cord for power, an Armaflex that is an insulator for the larger of the 2 copper pipes. The small copper pipe is used to convey liquid refrigerant to the indoor unit. Heat is extracted from the spaces indoors by the refrigerant interacting in the space with the heat. In the process, the refrigerant is converted into vapor, into a gas. That is how heat is extracted from the indoor space to create the cooling effect. The heat travels in the vaporized refrigerant into the condenser that is outdoors. A compressor located within the condenser converts the gas into its liquid refrigerant form. Heat from inside the house is released outdoors during the conversion of vaporized refrigerant into its liquid form. This process of cooling down indoor spaces by circulating refrigerants through copper pipes between indoor units and outdoor condensers takes place when your air conditioning unit is turned on. you go, folks. Air conditioning reservations are complete. What will be needed is electrical power, indoor units to be installed in prescribed locations, and condensers to be installed, for instance, on the ledge here and in other locations where copper pipes and the power cords will be connected to the condensers. The air conditioning contractor and his crew will do the necessary to furnish the required environmentally friendly refrigerants to keep the house cool throughout the year. We will say our goodbyes in the kitchen. This is Ayivi. Until next time, cheers.